Pregnancy and childbirth. A. Childbirth. The expected day of delivery is the day on which a woman is expected to give birth to the child she is carrying pregnancy with. It is calculated by adding 180 days or 40 weeks to the first day of the last menstrual period. Childbirth is also referred to by doctors as parturition. Delivery is the process of helping the child to be born. A spontaneous vaginal delivery is a normal delivery. There are complications. The baby may be delivered by cesarean section, surgical remove. A full term pregnancy is 40 weeks, divided into three trimesters. A baby who is born before this is premature, and one born after 40 weeks is postmature. A baby who is born died, for example, because the umbilical cord is around its neck, is stillborn. A pregnancy may end before term spontaneously with a miscarriage, a spontaneous abortion, or be deliberately terminated with an introduced abortion, a termination of pregnancy. Now, the verb introduce means to cause something to happen. B. Labor, the process by which the fetus and placenta are pushed out of the uterus, is called labor. It is divided into four stages. Some words which are combined with labor are premature labor, prolonged labor, spontaneous labor, introduced labor, false labor. C. Presentation and lie. Fetal lie is the position of the fetus in the uterus. The normal lie is longitudinal, and the abnormal lie is transverse. Fetal presentation refers to the part of the fetus which occupies the center of the pelvic canal, in which the examining finger feels, and vaginal examination. Butterworth. The normal presentation is with the head vertex presentation. Bridge presentation means the buttocks are presenting. Bridge is an old word for buttocks. Abnormal presentation may require a delivery with forceps.